Data link and physical layers. TCP/IP networking model. The TCP/IP model's data link and physical layers define the protocols and hardware required to deliver data across some physical network. The two work together quite closely. In fact, some standards define both the data link and physical layer functions. The physical layer defines the cabling and energy, for example, electrical signals that flow over the cables. Some rules and conventions exist when sending data over the cable. However, those rules exist in the data link layer of the TCP/IP model. Focusing on the data link layer for a moment, just like every layer in any networking model, the TCP/IP data link layer provides services to the layer above it in the model, the network layer. When a host or router's IP process chooses to send an IP packet to another router or host, that host or router then uses the link layer details to send that packet to the next host or router. On the left, you can see the server, on the right, a router. They are connected through the network. Now, step 1, encapsulate. Step 1, server encapsulates the IP packet between an Ethernet header and Ethernet trailer, creating an Ethernet frame. You can see up here the IP packet, and on data link layer is encapsulated with the Ethernet header and Ethernet trailer. Now, step 2, transmit. Step 2, transmit. Server physically transmits the bits of this Ethernet frame using electricity flowing over the Ethernet cabling. Step 3, receive. Step 3, router R1 physically receives the electrical signal over a cable and recreates the same bits by interpreting the meaning of the electrical signals. Finally, step 4, de-encapsulate. Step 4, router R1 de-encapsulates the IP packet from the Ethernet frame by removing and discarding the Ethernet header and trailer. The data link and physical layers include a large number of protocols and standards. For example, the link layer includes all the variations of Ethernet protocols and wireless LAN protocols. The TCP/IP physical and data link layers include two distinct functions, respectively, functions related to the physical transmission of the data, plus the protocols and rules that control the use of physical media. Here you can see the STP copper cable. And here you can see fiber optic cables. These are ST connectors, and these another are LC connectors. Okay, and down here the wireless signals. Thank you.